They push. Oh shit.
Alright guys, we're about to remove the white thing because we don't like white microwaves. I'm going to replace it with the black one, the bigger one.
Yeah, because that's not racist at
all. And Hayden's going to remove it with the Phillips head.
Maybe.
Maybe he don't electrocute himself.
Yeah, I hope not. If I could unplug the damn thing.
It's the Sims.
Oh shit.
I like the way you use that screwdriver.
Everybody's looking at my beer belly like, man, look how big that belly is.
Might have to blur the nipples.
Do you have to do that now?
No.
Oh.
That's just be funny.
Damn, okay.
That's a big screw. He's not screwing around, folks.
Ha ha ha. Just caught that.
Hehehehe.
It's killing my hand.
I
did it again. Oops.
He did it again with his hand.
Did it again. Note to yourself, don't ever try to screw things in crap like that.
Without protection.
Without protection.
Yeah. Y'all want your screws to be rusted.
Exactly.
That causes problems later down the road that you can't get rid of.
You can't make me laugh right now. Oh.
Everything is close to a man's floor.
You call this bareback.
Bareback mountain.
I'm gonna wind up stripping that.
Ooh.
Really. You might have to hold it right there, but then push. Oh shit. Something just shot the piss out of me. It did. It just shot the piss out of me.
Sim.
Can you push that plug back in there? I can't fucking push the plug back in. There we go. Very funny.
Yeah. It's so rusty.
It's like this looks wrong. Watch that video and they're gonna be like, what the fuck?
Two guys, one microwave.
One screwdriver.
Two guys, one screwdriver.
Almost good.
Oh, it's coming. Oh.
I know I'm pushing down on it. I'm trying to get the screw out. See if it'll just fall. Screw it. Push up on it. Can you hold it like that? Hold it like that. Hold it just like that.
Oh, hurry up with the screw.
Hold it.
Oh, God.
Push up again.
I can't hold it for long.
I know.
Oh.
Hold it.
Oh.
Hold it up. Let go. No, I got it. Okay. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
that's getting irritating.
That's what she said.
Hang on. Push back. Okay, try to hold it as much as you can. Push up. Yeah, just. I'm just gonna try to.
Hurry.
Keep going.
I can't do it anymore. It's too heavy.
Okay, let go of it.
Alright guys, that is how you do your microwave. Right there. The new one. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you did, make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See ya.